Alright, so what we got here is a BMW M8 2023 competition. This is now installed with the Ghost to Immobiliser system. So if you try and steal this vehicle without the code, as you can see, the car will turn on, but when you go to put it into gear, it will shut down. So you cannot drive it without the code. So when you turn the vehicle on, you have to enter your code 1 2 3 4. You get 2 indicator flashes, and now when you put it into gear, as you can see, it goes into gear and the car does not shut down. So no code, you're not driving this vehicle. It's not protected. If you want this installed to protect your vehicle from being stolen, see the link down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.